wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best fruit carving kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. The Atech 18-piece culinary set should include at least one tool, if not more, that can suit any need you have. The hard carrying case has a dedicated spot for each one, so they'll stay well organized. The blades have a mirror polish, and the set includes scissors and a wavy slicer. However, its durability could be better. At number 5, the Cakewalk A Professional is a versatile option suitable for use on a variety of mediums, from pottery to pumpkins. It contains a total of 13 tools, 6 of which are double-sided, for handling a range of cutting and sculpting needs. All the pieces feel very sturdy, and the saws are good for hard rinds, but it is lacking in carving knives. Coming in at number 4 on our list, the Tescoma T42010 has all the basics needed to get started, including 6 diverse knives and a handy instruction manual. It also includes a ceramic sharpener that's specially designed to work on the curved edges of its unusually shaped blades. It's all dishwasher safe, and the plastic handles are stain resistant. However, it is pricey for the quality. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fruit carving kits, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3, the 11-piece Deluxe boasts a wide range of tools, from a tiny seeding knife all the way up to a 6-inch paring blade, making it ideal for delicate work. It also includes wavy-edge decorative cutters and 2 types of peeler. It's made in Thailand, and all the components can withstand heavy use, but it doesn't come with a storage case. At number 2, if you just need a few tools, you can look to the Set A, which features 3 knives, each with a very different shape. The blades are hardened and tempered to ensure they're strong, yet still retain some flexibility. These have natural wooden handles and are a double-riveted construction. They come razor sharp. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Mercer 9-piece M15990 is a quality option that would be a good choice for professional chefs. The pieces feature slip-resistant polypropylene handles, while the blades are crafted from high-carbon steel that both takes and retains an edge well. These can withstand heavy use and come in a compact carrying case with a ceramic sharpening stone. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fruit carving kits, or simply click beneath this video.